Why does hair turn gray or white? Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a topic that concerns almost everyone as they get older: gray or white hair. Many people look in the mirror and feel disappointed when they see their hair turning white. But then there are some people who, despite their age, still have naturally dark and vibrant hair. And that's when the questions start. How come your hair is still black? Are you using dye or something? Well, in today's video, I'll be sharing a powerful natural remedy that can help bring your original hair color back, without using any dye. This is a method I've personally used and seen results from. So if you're ready to restore your hair's natural glow, let's get into it. The secret trio: egg, green tea, and castor oil. This powerful remedy uses only 3 simple ingredients, but their combined effect is remarkable. Let's take a closer look at each one and why they work so well. Eggs are packed with protein, which is essential for strong, healthy hair. They nourish the hair shaft and help revitalize the scalp. But not just any egg will do. On each egg should be the most natural and organic. Brewed green tea. Green tea is rich in antioxidants, which fight aging and protect hair cells. It also improves blood circulation in the scalp, encouraging healthier hair growth. Important tip: use brewed loose-leaf green tea, not tea bags, and let it cool before using. Castor oil. Castor oil strengthens hair, reduces shedding, and promotes growth. But most importantly, it helps reactivate melanin, the pigment responsible for your natural hair color. That's what makes it so effective against graying. How to prepare it: mix it up and turn back time. Now let's prepare the remedy step by step. Crack 1 organic egg into a bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of brewed, cooled green tea. Then add 1 tablespoon of castor oil. Whisk the ingredients thoroughly. The mixture should be slightly runny. This is normal. It's important that everything blends well so it can easily absorb into your scalp and hair. You can use a small brush to apply, but I highly recommend massaging it in with your fingertips to boost circulation and effectiveness. How to use a youth boost for your hair. Once the mixture is ready, apply it starting from your roots and work it through to the ends. Make sure to massage it gently into your scalp. This helps stimulate the hair follicles. After applying, cover your hair with a shower cap or plastic wrap. Let it sit for at least 1 hour to give the ingredients time to work their magic. Then wash your hair with a natural, chemical-free shampoo. Avoid harsh shampoos, as they can interfere with this natural process. Repeat this treatment every other day, around 3 to 4 times a week. For best results, stick with it consistently for at least 2 months. How it works: the magic of melanin. So how exactly does this remedy reverse graying? The key is melanin, the pigment that gives your hair its natural color. As we age, or due to stress and genetics, melanin production slows down or stops. That's when hair turns white or gray. This mixture stimulates the scalp and reactivates melanin production, allowing your hair to gradually return to its natural shade. If your hair was black, it will darken again. If it was light brown or blonde, it will shift back toward that tone. It's not like dye, it's a biological rejuvenation. Final thoughts: go natural, stay youthful. So let me ask you, wouldn't you love to look in the mirror and see your own natural hair color? Vibrant, youthful, and full of life? This remedy is a 100% natural, a simple to make, affordable, and most importantly, effective when used regularly. Start applying it and you'll begin to see changes in 1 to 2 months. Don't forget to write in the comments. If you've tried it, share your results. If you have questions, I'll answer them all. And if you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe for more natural beauty tips. And finally, if you've made it this far, drop a victory in the comments to let me know you're on board with this natural journey. Thanks for watching, and may your hair shine bright with health and confidence.